Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel like a real challenge. But what if I told you that with a few simple changes, you could start building a healthier financial future? It's not about making huge sacrifices. It's about making smarter choices. Today, we're diving into 10 practical and effective ways to save money that you can start implementing right away. Let's get into it. First up, knowledge is power. So track your expenses. It might sound basic, but you can't manage what you don't measure. Use a budgeting app or even a simple notebook to see exactly where your money is going each month. This first step is crucial because it shines a light on your spending habits and helps you identify areas where you can easily cut back. You might be surprised to find out how much those daily coffees or small purchases are adding up. Next, make saving effortless by automating it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each payday. Even a small amount can grow significantly over time thanks to the magic of consistency. Think of it as paying yourself first. By making it automatic, you remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere, ensuring your savings goals stay on track without you even having to think about it. Our third tip is to cut unnecessary subscriptions. Take a hard look at all those monthly services you're signed up for. From streaming platforms you rarely watch to gym memberships you don't use. These recurring charges can silently drain your bank account. Go through your bank statements, identify the services you can live without, and cancel them. That's instant savings back in your pocket every single month. Tip number 4 is a game changer. Plan your meals. Spontaneous food purchases and last-minute takeout orders are major budget killers. By taking some time each week to plan what you'll eat, you can create a focused grocery list and avoid buying things you don't need. This not only saves you a significant amount of money, but also helps reduce food waste and often leads to healthier eating habits. Speaking of impulse buys, our fifth tip is to avoid them at all costs. Stores are designed to make you spend more, with tempting displays and limited time offers. To combat this, always shop with a list, and stick to it. If you see something you want that isn't on your list, enforce a 24-hour waiting period. More often than not, you'll realize you don't actually need it, saving yourself from buyer's remorse. Tip number 6 is to embrace cash over credit. Swiping a plastic card can feel abstract, making it easy to overspend. When you use physical cash, you see the money leaving your hand, which makes the transaction feel more real and can help you be more mindful of your spending. Try a cash envelope system for categories like groceries or entertainment to enforce strict spending limits. Next, shop secondhand. You can find incredible deals on high-quality clothing, furniture, and electronics at thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces. It's a fantastic way to get what you need for a fraction of the retail price. Plus, it's an environmentally friendly choice that gives pre-loved items a new life. So it's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. For our 8th tip, let's talk about your daily routine. DIY your coffee and lunch. That daily $5 latte and $10 lunch might seem small, but they add up to hundreds of dollars a month. Investing in a good coffee maker and packing your own delicious lunch are simple habits that can lead to passive savings over the course of a year. Tip number 9 is to review your budget regularly. Your financial situation and goals will change over time, so your budget should too. Set aside time once a month or every quarter to review your spending. Check in on your savings progress and make any necessary adjustments. This keeps your financial plan relevant and effective, ensuring you stay on the path to success. Finally, our 10th tip is to invest in yourself. This might sound like spending, not saving, but it's the most important investment you can make. Use your time and resources to learn new skills, read books, or take courses that can increase your earning potential. Growing your knowledge and capabilities is a long-term strategy that can pay off exponentially, opening doors to better opportunities and a more secure financial future. And that's a wrap on our 10 smart ways to save money. Remember, the journey to financial wellness starts with a single step, and by incorporating even a few of these habits into your life, you'll be well on your way. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to take control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.